There's a moment every gun owner hits where you stop being impressed by price tags and start caring about performance. You stop looking at the brand and start asking, can I trust this when it counts? That's exactly what we're diving into today. This isn't just a rundown of cheap handguns. It's a showcase of reliable tools that prove you don't need to spend $1,000 to be confident in your gear. Some of these picks fly under the radar. Some outperform guns twice their price, but every one of them, solid, dependable, and all under $400. Forget the hype. Let's break down the handguns that show up when it counts. Let's get into it. Number 20. KelTec P17. If lightweight, low recoil shooting is your thing, the KelTec P17 might just become your favorite. It's chambered in .22 LR and weighs only 14 ounces. That's less than a bottle of water. With an overall length of 6.65 inches and a 3.8-inch barrel, it's incredibly compact, yet surprisingly accurate. This pistol boasts a 16-round magazine, giving you ample shots before needing a reload. A threaded barrel makes suppressor attachment easy, and the ambidextrous safety caters to both left and right-handed users. Its high capacity and featherweight design make it ideal for beginners or those with limited hand strength. For target practice, plinking, or training, it's an excellent pick. Depending on the seller, you'll typically find it priced between $174 and $199. Number 19. Ruger LCP II. This ultra-compact pistol from Ruger is all about discretion and simplicity. Weighing just 10.6 ounces, the LCP II is incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for pocket or ankle carry. It features a 2.75-inch barrel and measures just 5.17 inches overall, so it easily disappears under any layer of clothing. Chambered in 380 ACP, it holds 6+1 rounds and delivers manageable recoil despite its small frame. Its single-action trigger offers a crisp, short pull that aids in fast follow-up shots. The built-in trigger safety, manual safety, and hammer catch offer multiple layers of protection for safe carry. It also comes with fixed sights that are low profile to prevent snagging on the draw. The MSRP for the Ruger LCP II typically ranges from $300 to $350, depending on configuration. Number 18. Ruger Security 9. Looking for full-size capability at a fraction of the price? The Ruger Security 9 brings it. This handgun measures 7.24 inches long with a 4-inch barrel and weighs just under 24 ounces, giving you excellent control without dragging you down. With a 15+1 capacity and smooth shooting dynamics, it's ideal for home defense or open carry. The polymer frame is textured for grip security, and the alloy steel slide ensures durability. The trigger has a clean break and an integrated safety. It delivers the reliability of a duty pistol without the bulk or price tag. Priced from around $250 to $332, it's a serious tool at a reasonable cost. Number 17. Ruger Wrangler. If you've ever dreamed of old-school cowboy vibes without spending old money prices, the Ruger Wrangler has your name on it. This affordable .22 LR single-action revolver packs a 6-shot cylinder and a 3.75-inch cold hammer-forged barrel built on a durable aluminum alloy frame. Finished in rugged Cerakote with colors like black, silver, and bronze, it holds up well to the elements and rough use. Weighing 27.8 ounces loaded and stretching 8.62 inches in length, it strikes a great balance between portability and classic feel. The transfer bar safety lets you carry it fully loaded without worry, and the clean 3.75-pound trigger adds to its shootability. Loading is smooth thanks to its free-spinning cylinder, which rotates both ways for easier access. While the sights are basic, a fixed front blade and notched rear, it delivers tight groups with little recoil. Whether for plinking, small game, or just good old fun, this 6-shooter hits the mark. MSRP ranges from $189 to $219, depending on finish and retailer. Number 16. ATI GSG Firefly. Perfect for beginners or budget-conscious target shooters, the Firefly blends affordability with enjoyable shooting. It weighs about 24.6 ounces and stretches just over 7 inches long. Chambered in .22 LR, recoil is minimal, making it easy to train with. The 10-round capacity offers plenty of shots for plinking, and the adjustable rear sight helps dial in accuracy. It includes a decocking lever, manual safety, and accessory rail for lights or lasers. It's ideal for teaching new shooters or anyone wanting a low-cost training tool. You'll often find this one priced between $199 and $229. A sweet deal for a feature-rich .22 pistol.
Number 15.
Smith & Wesson SD9 VE. The SD9 VE delivers reliable performance in a full-sized 9mm platform, all at a wallet-friendly price. It weighs 22.7 ounces and comes with a 4-inch barrel, offering a nice balance between compactness and sight radius. Its overall length is 7.2 inches, giving it a strong presence without being overly bulky. Chambered in 9mm, it features a 16+1 round capacity, making it great for home defense or range sessions. The SD9 VE is known for its consistent self-defense trigger, which provides a smooth and predictable pull. White dot sights ensure quick and clear target acquisition in most lighting conditions. The grip is textured for better control during rapid shooting. It typically retails around $350 or less, offering a full-sized option at an entry-level price.
Number 14.
Rock Island Armory M206. This 6-shot revolver is all about value and durability. Weighing around 25.6 ounces and stretching to 8.75 inches in length, it strikes a comfortable balance between compactness and shootability. Chambered in .38 Special, it's well-suited for both defense and range use. The steel frame and wood grips give it a classic feel and rugged build. A fixed front sight and rear notch keep aiming simple and reliable. It runs in both single and double action modes, and the trigger pull feels consistent throughout. You get old-school revolver reliability with modern-day affordability. You'll typically find it priced between $219 and $299, making it a hidden gem in the revolver world.
Number 13. Rossi Brawler.
This is a wild card, a break-action single shot that can fire 45 Colt and 410 shells. It's 14 inches long with a 9-inch barrel and weighs 36.8 ounces. That extra length and weight help manage the hefty recoil. It's got an oversized rubber grip, a crossbolt safety, and automatic shell ejection for fast reloads. The full-length rail lets you mount optics or accessories. Its ability to shoot both shot shells and big bore rounds gives it unmatched flexibility in the field. This gun is built for utility, great for pest control or just plain fun at the range. Prices usually hover around $200 to $39, and it's worth every penny for the versatility.
Number 12.
Ruger LCP Max. Building on the LCP legacy, the LCP Max steps up the game by offering more capacity without adding bulk. Weighing just 10.6 ounces, it's one of the lightest high-capacity .380 pistols available. It features a 2.8-inch barrel and an overall length of only 5.17 inches, keeping it ultra-concealable. What sets it apart is the 10+1 round capacity, a major improvement over the original LCP. The enhanced grip design makes it feel more secure in the hand, even with such a compact frame. Ruger also added a tritium front sight for better low-light targeting. It retains the LCP's clean lines and snag-free profile, perfect for deep concealment. MSRP is generally around $379, making it a smart upgrade for pocket carry fans.
Number 11.
Canik TP9SF. The Canik TP9SF is a sleeper hit that packs serious performance in a sleek, user-friendly design. Designed for both range fun and self-defense, this striker-fired pistol offers a 4.46-inch barrel that delivers solid accuracy without being too bulky to carry. It weighs a manageable 28.32 ounces, giving it enough heft to absorb recoil while remaining comfortable to shoot. What stands out is the impressive 18+1 round capacity in 9mm, providing more firepower than most pistols in this class. It features a match-grade barrel and a smooth, single-action trigger that rivals far more expensive models. Safety is a strong point too, thanks to a loaded chamber indicator and a striker status indicator, both offering visual and tactile feedback. The ergonomic grip fits naturally in the hand, aiding control and comfort during extended use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned shooter, the TP9SF delivers performance that easily punches above its weight, MSRP of around $350.
Number 10.
Heritage Rough Rider. Want that Old West vibe without the big recoil or high price? The Heritage Rough Rider delivers it. Chambered in .22 LR, it features a 6.5-inch barrel and weighs in at about 33.4 ounces. The long barrel makes it easier to aim, and the Cocobolo wood grips add a classic touch. The single-action mechanism brings back cowboy-style shooting, and the hammer block safety is excellent for new shooters. It's a smooth shooter with nearly no recoil. Its longer barrel and authentic styling make it a favorite among fans of traditional revolvers. MSRP starts around $166, but some retailers sell it closer to $120, an unbeatable price for a six-shooter.
Number 9.
Glock 42. If minimalism is your thing, the Glock 42 delivers one of the smallest, lightest .380 options on the market. It weighs just 13.76 ounces and sports a 3.25-inch barrel, making it perfect for ultra-concealed carry. The overall length is just 5.94 inches, so it disappears easily in a pocket or small IWB holster. Chambered in 380 ACP with a 6+1 capacity, it's a great pick for those who prioritize comfort and concealability. Despite its tiny frame, it retains Glock's reputation for rugged dependability and simplicity. It includes Glock's safe action system for consistent trigger pull and safety. The textured grip gives you solid control, and it's surprisingly shootable for its size. MSRP around $400, it's a compact solution that doesn't cut corners.
Number 8. Armscor M200. Looking for a tough, no-frills revolver that just gets the job done? The Armscor M200 delivers. This all-steel 38 special workhorse is built to be used, not babied. It features a 6-round swing-out cylinder, 4-inch barrel, and a Parkerized finish that resists wear, making it perfect for glove boxes, bug-out bags, or range sessions. Weighing 1.76 pounds unloaded and stretching 8.78 inches, it feels solid but not too heavy. The double-action, single-action setup gives you fast follow-ups or precision when needed, and the trigger breaks clean at 4.2 pounds in single action. While it's not rated for plus P ammo, standard loads cycle smoothly and accurately. Fixed front and rear sights are simple but reliable, while the polymer grips provide decent ergonomics. Recoil is mild, and you'll get 2 to 3 inch groups at 25 yards with a steady hand. Priced at just $230 new or around $199 used, it's a solid value for a backup or budget revolver. Number 7.
Bersa Thunder 380. Classic styling meets reliable function in the Bersa Thunder 380. Weighing around 20 ounces, it's a medium-frame pistol that's easy to control and comfortable to carry. The 3.5-inch barrel and 6.6-inch overall length make it a solid option for concealed carry, while still offering good sight radius. Chambered in 380 ACP, it carries 8+1 rounds and features a DA/SA trigger system for versatile shooting. It also includes a manual safety, decocker, and firing pin safety for added peace of mind. The alloy frame and matte finish offer durability without unnecessary bulk. Known for its smooth trigger and low recoil, it's often recommended as a beginner-friendly option. MSRP around $275. It's a budget gem with timeless appeal.
Number 6.
Diamondback DB9. If you're looking for ultra-slim and super light, the DB9 brings serious concealability. Weighing just 13.4 ounces and measuring 5.73 inches long, this little powerhouse is made for pocket or deep concealment carry. The 3-inch barrel offers a good blend of accuracy and compactness. The frame is made from high-strength polymer, while the slide is steel, keeping it light but reliable. With a 6+1 round capacity, it delivers just enough firepower for defensive situations. The striker-fired trigger is consistent and smooth, and the absence of external safeties means quicker access when you need it. It's one of the slimmest and lightest 9mm pistols on the market, making it nearly disappear when carried. It's sleek, straightforward, and priced between $195 and $300.
Number 5. Charter Arms Undercover. If you're looking for a no-nonsense snub nose that's ready for carry, the Charter Arms Undercover delivers. Chambered in 38 special and holding 5 rounds, it weighs just 16 ounces. Light enough for daily carry without sacrificing control. The 2-inch barrel and compact stainless steel frame make it quick to draw, while the full rubber grip helps tame recoil during rapid fire. It offers both single and double action operation. The double action pull is a bit heavy but gets the job done when seconds count. Sights are basic, a fixed front blade and a milled rear notch, but accuracy is respectable thanks to the 8-groove rifled barrel. Some users have noted slight cylinder wobble, but most report solid, dependable performance. Built in the US and backed by a lifetime warranty, it's a solid pick for budget-conscious buyers. Entry-level models hover around $299, while upgraded finishes may push the price above $300. Number 4. Taurus G3C. When it comes to value-packed 9mm pistols,
The Taurus G3C is a frontrunner. It weighs 22 ounces and has a 3.2-inch barrel, keeping it compact yet capable. It boasts a 12+1 capacity, which is impressive for a pistol this size and price. The G3C includes both a manual and trigger safety, giving you multiple layers of security for everyday carry. Its textured grip offers a secure hold, even when your hands are sweaty or gloved. The sights are steel with an adjustable rear, giving you room to fine-tune your accuracy. It also features a re-strike capability, allowing a second trigger pull on a light strike without racking the slide. With an MSRP around $300, it's hard to beat in this category.
Number 3.
Springfield Armory XDS Mod 2. Designed for deep concealment without compromising shootability, the XDS Mod 2 is a serious contender. Weighing 21.5 ounces, it's substantial enough to manage recoil while still being light for everyday carry. The 3.3-inch barrel balances concealability and accuracy, while its 6.3-inch overall length keeps it compact. Chambered in 9mm, it comes with a 7-round magazine with optional extended mags available for 9 rounds. It features a grip safety that ensures it won't fire unless firmly in your hand, a reassuring detail for CCW users. Fiber optic front and tactical rear sights aid in quick target acquisition in low-light situations. The aggressive grip texture helps maintain control during rapid fire. MSRP usually lands near $400 depending on the variant.
Number 2.
Taurus GX4. The GX4 proves that budget and performance can go hand in hand. Chambered in 9mm, this compact carry pistol weighs just 18.5 ounces and has an overall length of 6.05 inches. The 3-inch barrel delivers solid performance in a small package, and its slim 1-inch width makes it disappear in a waistband holster. The polymer frame is tough yet lightweight, and the 10+1 capacity offers ample rounds for defensive needs. You also get interchangeable back straps and a crisp, flat-faced trigger that's great for precise shots. It's incredibly modular for the price, offering features often found in more expensive pistols. Sights are dovetail style and easy to pick up quickly. Expect pricing between $238 and $321 depending on configuration.
Number 1.
Ruger EC9S. If you're looking for a slim, reliable 9mm that won't hurt your budget, the EC9S hits the mark. It weighs just 17.2 ounces, which makes it easy to carry all day without fatigue. With a 3.12-inch barrel and an overall length of 6 inches, it offers a compact profile ideal for concealment. Chambered in 9mm, the EC9 features a 7+1 round capacity and is designed to deliver solid performance in close quarters defense. The sights are machined into the slide for durability and snag-free drawing. Manual safety and a magazine disconnect enhance safe handling for everyday carry users. Its black oxide finish resists wear and gives it a no-nonsense tactical look. This dependable pistol usually comes in around the $300 mark.
So there you have it, proof that reliability doesn't have to cost a fortune. Each of these handguns holds its own where it matters most. In your hand, at the range, or when things get real. Whether you're building your first collection or adding a smart backup, don't let price fool you. Value is about what works, not what it costs. If one of these caught your eye, drop a comment. I'm always down to hear your picks. Catch you in the next one.